What's up YouTube? Today I get to install these mud flaps. I know this car is 10 years old now. These parts are going to be harder and harder to find, and I saw these. They're painted to the car, which is what attracted me to them. They're a little expensive. I think they were $150, and I was able to pick it up locally. Thank you, Cox Mazda in Bradenton. But yeah, it's OEM Mazda. I was looking at some of the aftermarket solutions, and it was still going to cost me $100. I know they do come with the front set, the aftermarkets, but they didn't look as appealing as these. So all you get is these. It came wrapped in this felt type thing, and you get a bag of screws. So can't imagine it being too hard to install. Let me get started. Okay, so you get two mud flaps, and it appears 2 screws and 2 of these, I guess, bolt supports. Here's the part list, and let's see, that's the part number, and I think there's some additional numbers for the dolphin gray color. That's how it looks. Mud flap, as you scratch dirt. How do you install this thing? Let's see. I guess that's it right there. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. So the first step is going to be to remove the 3 bolts. There's 2 right there, and then there's 1 down here. Okay, so the 3 bolts are out. This is what you're left with. Look at that, clear access to the Super Q. Anyway, so what you're supposed to do next, it looks like, is cut off the 2 locations of the splash shield using nippers, and then align the rear bumper holes, and it looks like then I mount it. Okay, so what you want to do is put the clips right there. Get a good shot right there, and that orientation, and then put the splash shield back in, and then I think we can mount the mud guards. Okay, so I am done. It was not a hard install. You can see right here, it hugs the bumper really nicely. It does stick out a little bit, and these tires are 17 by 8, so it even goes past. I guess if I had this 7.5 or less, it would be more flush, but that's okay. I just wanted to protect this piece of the bumper right here, and I think it does a good job. It's just pretty much 2 bolts. I was able to use an 8mm, and you can see from this side, looks pretty good. But yeah, overall I think it was worth it. There's not many dolphin gray accessories that you can do. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.